Hello students, good afternoon. This is the poem No. In last period we discussed about the poem and poet also. Poem is very in a seriously. The Thomas Wood described this poem in a serious way. In last period we having the information about the Thomas Wood and poem also. So let's we start the poem. No sun, no moon, no morn, no noon. Actually, Thomas Wood described about the day. If the day is not having any sun or moon, how you feel? So this is the serious matter. So actually, Thomas Wood also describe about that. If having any day, no sun, no moon, no morn, no noon. If any day is having no sun, means no moon, and no morn, morn means morning, no noon. यहाँ पर कोई भी सन नहीं होगा तो चांद भी नहीं होगा, मॉर्निंग भी नहीं होगी तो आफ्टरनून भी नहीं होगी. No down, no ducks. No down, दिस इज द फर्स्ट लाइट ऑफ द डे, जिसे हम सूरज की पहली किरण बोल सकते हैं. नो डक्स, डक्स है ना, द टाइम ऑफ द डे इमिडिएटली फॉलोड सनसेट. इन अनदर लैंग्वेज वी कॉल दिस इज द कातरवेड. सो नो डाउन, नो डक्स, नो प्रॉपर टाइम ऑफ द डे. इफ देर इज अ नो सन, नो मून, एंड दैट टाइम नो सन रेज ऑफ फर्स्ट सन रेज, and not having the dusk and not having the any time of the day. This is the not having the proper time of the day. Okay, no sky, no earthly view, no distance looking blue. After that Thomas Wood describe about no sky. If there is a no sky, वहाँ पर अगर sky भी नहीं होगा तो धरती भी नहीं दिखेगी. and no distance looking blue, नो डिस्टेंस लुकिंग ब्लू. यहाँ पर कोई भी स्काई ब्लू नहीं दिखेगा. नो रोड, नो स्ट्रीट, एंड नो अदर साइड ऑफ वे. इफ देर इज नॉट हैविंग एनी रोड और स्ट्रीट, नो अदर साइड ऑफ द वे, देर इज नो रोड, नो स्ट्रीट, अदर साइड ऑफ द वे. दिस इज द colloquial construction of the other side of the road. दोनों रोड के दोनों साइड में जो पेड़ होते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड colloquial. See in this picture, this is the colloquial. So that's why this is the meaning of this line, other side of the way. If there is a no road, no street, so that's why there is a no trees in the side of the road. No end to any row. If there is having any row, there is a no end, no indication where the crescent go. What is mean by crescent? Demilune, आधा चांद. So if there is a no sun, no moon, no sky, no earthly view, no distance looking blue, and there is a not having the any road, so that time no indication where the crescent go. We do not have any information regarding the moon क्रिसेंट वेयर हिज गो. सो कोई भी इंडिकेशन हमको चांद कहाँ जाता है उसका इंडिकेशन या इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिलेगी. ओके, नो टॉप टू एनी स्टीपल, नो टॉप टू एनी स्टीपल. स्टीपल, दिस इज द टॉल टावर. एक्चुअली दिस मीनिंग actually give the sir to you. No top to any steeple. So regarding that, the Thomas Wood describing so many things. If there is a not having in the world, not having in one's life, so that's why he giving the describing about the one thing, no top to any steeple. If there is a any building in the city, there is a no top. No recognition of family people, no recognition of familiar people. If there is a not having any recognition within the family, किसी भी फैमिली मेम्बर में कोई भी पहचान ना हो तो. No courtesies for showing them. Courtesy, this is the something done out of politeness. हम इसे सभ्यता या शिष्टाचार भी कह सकते हैं. No courtesies for showing them. If there is a no familiar indication, if there is a no familiar recognitions, so where is the courtesies there? So that's why the Thomas Hood describe about the no courtesies for showing them. If there is a no familiar relation, there is a not having the any courtesies, no knowing them. एक दूसरे को कोई पहचानता नहीं है. So Thomas Hood giving the very serious matter in this poem. He giving the just information regarding if not having any sun or moon, not having any proper dawn or dusk, not having any proper time of the day, not having any sky or earth also, and not having any road or street also. So that's why there is a no indication about the crescent also. So this is the very serious matter Thomas Hood describes here, and also giving the just information regarding the family, and he giving just information if not recognition of family people. This is the very bad thing to us. If there is a हर कोई फैमिली मेम्बर एक दूसरे को अगर नहीं पहचानता है, सो डैट्स वाई क्रिएटिंग द नो कर्टसी फॉर शोइंग देम. उनके बीच में कोई सभ्यता या शिष्टाचार भी नहीं दिखेगा, नहीं होगा. नो नोइंग देम, एक दूसरे को कोई नहीं पहचानेगा. ओके, आई होप दैट these are the lines you can understand, and remaining poem we take in a next period. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.